Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a very simple recipe. It's another one of those no-bake desserts. I've had a friend ask about this little recipe. And so that's what we're going to do today. And that is a chocolate eclair no-bake cake. And it is delicious. Been doing this one for years and years now. You just got a few ingredients. We've got some French vanilla instant pudding. I got 2 packs of that. And of course some graham crackers, some extra creamy Cool Whip, and a little chocolate. Everything's got to have a little chocolate on top. And of course we need milk for the pudding. So I'm going to get into making the pudding first. So we're going to mix our 2 packages of French vanilla. And you can do regular vanilla, honey. You don't have to go with the French. You can go with whatever. Give that in there. And so 2 packs of this. And we're going to add 4 cups of milk. You don't even have to drag your mixer out or anything, honey. You can just mix this up. Mix it right here. A 1 bowl kind of situation. That way Russ don't have to wash dishes.
I like it.
Oh, bless. Alright, here we go. 4 cups of milk. So we got 1. Well, I started pouring, didn't I? 2, 3, and 4. Alright. I went and go get this big old jug of milk because we don't drink a whole lot of milk. Now, them grandbabies will be tearing it up.
Yes, they will.
But it is cheaper to buy a whole gallon, y'all, than a half gallon. Ain't that just crazy? I thought it was anyway. So we're just going to whisk this up. I know the racket's probably crazy, but I do need my whisk on this. Seems like I use this bowl every single video, don't I?
It seems that way to me. You use that bowl a lot.
This is my old trusty, dusty bowl, and it's going to be all right.
It gets a lot of use.
It does. It's I tell you what it was. It was one of the mixers that I killed. It come with the mixer, and I said, well, I'm not going to throw that bowl away just because the mixer died on me. So I've had it for years now. Alright, we're just getting this thick, and the more this sits, the thicker it will get. Alright, y'all see how thick it's got right here? That is perfect. That's what you want.
Good old pudding.
Good old pudding, honey. Good old Jell-O. I don't know what everybody did before Jell-O come along. Alright, y'all know I use the extra creamy. You know, you do you. But I'm going to add a tub of Cool Whip in here. Whole tub, honey. Some goodness.
This is looking good already.
You can't go wrong with some Cool Whip, can you?
Nope.
No, you cannot. And you got your Tupperware bowl to boot.
Yay.
Yay. Russ is so excited.
Yeah, another bowl for the cabinet. Yay.
Now, he even admitted the other day I had done good. I done gave them all out. I've been sharing.
Yeah.
So I was looking for a bowl the other day. I said, Lord, I'm going to start collecting me some more bowls because they gone. All right, this is what it looks like. Look at there. Yummy, yummy. All right, now we're going to switch bowls. Let's get that up out the way. We're going to put this to the side. And we're going to just start layering with some graham crackers. All right, we'll start layering our little graham crackers. Y'all, I just got the little Great Value. You don't have to get the name brand, the Nabisco or whatever. Just going to put a little layer in here on the bottom. Get this layered up. I hope it's going to work out all right. I think it will. Let's see. break them. Ah, there we go. Get them all broke up, fitting nicely. I'll put one right there. All right, we got us a bottom layer here. All right, get my little whisk out of there. I don't need that right now. Now we're just going to start pouring this in here. And go give it a little layer. Now you, I better get the bottom real good. I seen some yellow on that. Look how good that's looking already. Boom. Now the fun part is spreading this. But we gonna do just fine with it. Give it a little stir. We just want this covered in pudding. I'm telling you, this pudding's gonna make them crackers soft. Honey, what? It is so good. Easy, no bake. I just love it.
I like easy.
Uh-huh. I love it. You don't have to turn your stove on, get the house hot. And now this is going to have to sit in the refrigerator because like I said, those little graham crackers, they need to soften up just a little bit to be its best self. Now we are going to put another layer of crackers on here. All right. This is what takes more time than anything, and this ain't taking a bit of time.
No.
No. Goodness, right here. We'll layer them like this. Just go fill in the cracks, y'all. That's what I'm doing.
Making it work.
That's right. A little critical thinking there.
Yeah, keep putting the puzzle together.
That's right. There's a little piece right there. Look at that. Just perfect. All right. Now we're going to go in with a little more pudding here. Pudding on top.
Mm-hmm.
I think we got enough for a whole nother layer. How about that?
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Creamy.
Yes.
Man, this is looking good.
We ate this, y'all, when we was younger. So this little recipe's been around a long time. It's still going strong. That's when you know it's a good one. Still going. All right. Put a little bit more pudding in there.
Pudding.
Some pudding. All right, let's open this one up. I thought maybe that two would do, but we got, I hope this is, I think we might need it a few more. But we can work with what we got.
You'll make it work.
And it'll be just fine. All right. We might not have have it in the middle. Then again, we might. Look at us go. And there. It might just work out perfect. How about that?
Look at you go there.
Look at us. Using the whole pack too, honey. How many times y'all open a pack of something?
And it works out just right.
Well, no, you use part of it and the rest is just open and gone stale and everything else. But no, we're gonna utilize it today.
Good to the last drop.
Look over there. Well, we have this little bit left over. I'm just gonna stick him down in there. Ain't no sense in no sense in leaving him out. All right, now we're gonna go one more layer of pudding. Just a thin layer. Now, I told y'all we're going to top it with some chocolate.
Man.
Now let me tell you about this chocolate we're about to put on it. I have got the chocolate icing that you buy. Can't get any easier than that. We are going to peel that little silver piece off, that little, this part right here. We're going to peel this off. And we're going to melt it in the microwave for about 15-20 seconds. Then we're going to pour it right on top.
Man.
Look at there. Just some old Duncan Hines or whatever.
Yeah.
We're going to peel this off because, yes,
yeah.
we ain't trying to blow the house up.
Take the fire starter off, y'all.
No. So I'm going to warm this up for about 20 seconds. Then we're going to just pour it over top, y'all. It's going to be delicious. All right, this is, I did 20 seconds and it was still firm, so I did another 20 seconds. Let's just give this a stir. Look at there. Oh, yes.
Ooh, that's chocolatey, yummy.
And I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. Make sure it's all
sturdy.
Yes. Make sure it's good. Scrumptiddlyumptious.
She be looking pretty good.
All right, you just want it to be able to pour here. And here we go. Yum, yummy. This is the one reason you want it to sit in the refrigerator for a little bit, because this is going to harden back up. Make a wonderful topping. We're getting all this up out of here. Y'all know how I roll.
Man.
We ain't trying to waste nothing. All right, now we'll give it a little what's up. Spread it all around. Don't that look good?
Man, I can't tell you how good that looks.
Smelling good too. This chocolate.
Let me want to come through the camera lens, y'all. I'm kind of just wanting to lick the whole end, the back side of this camera. It's making me yummy, yummy.
I think I'm just going to leave those edges alone right there. It'll be fine.
It's looking yummy.
Just like it is.
Yeah, we at the house. This ain't no
we at the house, honey.
Yeah.
All right. Now I'm just going to cover this up, put it in the refrigerator, and we are, it's late in the afternoon. Honey, we're going to enjoy it tomorrow. So
I'm going to pretend like this didn't happen. Turn off my senses. Don't smell, don't see. Just pretend we didn't do none of this.
Just forget about it, Russell.
Forget about it. I'm turning it off. Yep,
forget about it until tomorrow.
I'm going to have my old timers moment. Just turn it off completely.
There you
It
go.
didn't happen. Yeah, we didn't make no video. That's right.
All right, y'all. We'll be back tomorrow and let you know what it tastes like. Y'all, it's the next day.
The next day, I forgot all about it, y'all. Pretended it didn't exist.
You just gotta wrap it, forget it, and go.
Yeah.
You really do.
If you put tinfoil over it, you don't even see it.
No, hide it. Just hide it in there. But you are up now.
I'm ready.
And it's all ready.
Oh, yeah, it's perfect. Yeah.
Them little graham crackers, they got soft.
Now, we had this a lot growing up.
Yeah.
Mama made this a lot.
Layers of just goodness.
Like a chocolate eclair, y'all.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
Chocolate
just what it tastes like.
eclair. That's exactly what it tastes like.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't it good?
Man.
To not put anything really much in it, it is.
That's delicious.
It's the simple little things, y'all.
That's a treat.
That are so good.
Treat yourself, y'all. Yeah.
You can throw it together real quick the night before, and at least then you got your dessert for your supper the next day.
Yeah.
Or it's good to take
2 or 3 days if you want.
Yeah, several days.
Yeah.
But it's so easy, quick. put together.
Mm-hmm.
And but it don't taste simple, does it?
No, it tastes very
Hitting
decadent.
all them layers. Yeah. Yes.
Fancy.
You can do your chocolate topping a little different, however you want to do it.
I would do it just like that. That's great.
The melt and the icing, honey. Don't take but just a little minute to do that.
No bake. Easy.
No bake.
We like easy.
Don't turn that oven on. It's hot. Of course, it's been cool here the last couple of days. It's done nothing but rain.
We like it. We don't care. Let it rain. We're getting some tomatoes to grow back on the tomato vines and a break from the 100-degree heat dome, whatever they call it. Yeah. I don't know why they name stuff now, y'all,
but anyway, y'all, try this one. Your little babies is gonna love it. Everybody's gonna love it. And it's a treat for you for sure. We're going to enjoy it. We're going to share some. And anyway, y'all.
We better share them, I hope.
Yeah, we're not eating all this.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're going to take your mom some. His mom loves her some little sweets.
That's stuff they used to eat in the past.
Yeah. But we thank y'all so much for watching. And until next time.
Peace!